So just do like you did for the speed bumps. You just want to slow it right down enough so you can check left and right. So you get a good clear view to the left and the right down the road.
But I don't come to a complete stop if I don't need to? Or?
Yeah, if you don't need to, yep.
Cannot see that side. I'm good.
Clear, perfect. The Ontario Highway Traffic Act is a little weird sometimes. So right now we're on Redfern. We're turning right on Kingsley. It's just a corner. But because we're going from one roadway street name to another street name, you do have to use your right signal.
Okay, I did not know that.
It's crazy. It's ridiculous, really. But, you know, it's not likely the cops will ever pull you over if you fail the signal going around a corner. We're going to turn left here. So we have an oncoming vehicle. It looks like we'll have to yield. Yeah, because he's coming in there pretty quick. So
Got it.
just to be on the safe side for now. Yeah, he has the right of way. Perfect.
Look at that. Awesome. Crater.
Yeah, I was stranded in Garson there Friday night. Right at the end of her lesson, about 9:15 or so. Just before I dropped her off. Boom, kabang.
Was it near her house?
Near her house, yeah. So I was able to drop her off, and then I was trying to get to the Gem Mart. I made it to the Gem Mart in Garson there, hoping I could just maybe put some air in and get home, but no, it was completely flat.
That was terrible.
So yeah, it was raining, it was dark, I couldn't put the donut on. And so I had to call for a tow truck. We're gonna make a left here. But the tow truck didn't want to come out and rescue me though, at that time. So my boss came to pick me up. Here you stop just before the sidewalk.
Right here?
Yeah,
Or
approximately.
A little bit more?
Maybe a little more.
Alright.
And these people here, they're gonna be,
Should I let them?
let's see where they go.
I think we're good to go, eh?
This guy is turning. They're both turning. Okay, yeah, we can go.
We can go.
Trying to interpret the body language on pedestrians sometimes is difficult.
Yeah.
It's like trying to interpret the dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. Here we're going to make a right turn at the stop sign.
Sure.
And again, we don't have a line on the ground. So the next stopping position is a sidewalk, if there is one, just before the sidewalk. That's to fulfill your legal obligation.
So about right here?
Yep.
Did you say?
Yes, right here. Now you can't see anything, right? So you can crawl out. But as you crawl out, steer it to the right so you hug the shoulder.
Okay.
And when you think it's safe,
Give it go.
awesome.